Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to order, buy, and ship on AllChinabuy. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then in the search bar at the top, you just have to search for AllChinabuy. Okay, so let me just type out AllChinabuy and you'll be able to see this first website. So just simply click on this one. Now, before you can enter a product name or a product link, you just have to sign in or sign up for an account. So just click on sign up and you have to provide your email address and then your password, and then you have to check the box right here that you have accepted terms and conditions. And then after creating your account, you'd be able to see here now your account or your account name at the top right. Now let's try to search for a specific product that we want to purchase using AllChinabuy. So for example, we are looking for a fun. Okay, so just click on enter after that and be able to see here the different categories. So we have the best match, the sales, and more. So here under the best match, should be able to see here the different products. Okay, so for example, we want to buy this product. So just simply click on it. That's right. And then you'd be able to see here now the different variation of the product. So you just have to click on this box right here and click on read exact. Okay, so you have here the name of the product, the price of the product, and then all of the important details of this product. So what you're going to do now is to select the variations that you need or the color. Okay, so make sure to choose the battery capacity as well. Okay, so we are going to select the color that we are going to buy as well as the battery capacity. Now you can click on the buy now option or the add to cart. So when you do that, you'd be directed to this section where you have to confirm your order. So you have to select here your country. Okay, then after that, you have here now the full details of your product. And then now you just have to click on the confirm option, and then before you can submit it, click on the box and click on submit. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here you are going to choose your payment method. So we have different payment methods right here. Now if you're going to pay for a card, so just select the card and then you have to provide here card details. Then after that, click on save. Okay, so that's how you can find a product using product name. But if you want to use a product link, so for example, we are going to use AllChinabuy to buy products from Timo. So just open your Timo. For example, we are going to get this product, so just click on it, and then we are going to get the link of this product and we are going to paste it on AllChinabuy. Okay, so get the link, go back here and then paste the link in the search bar and click on the get option. Okay, so now you'd be able to see here the link section. Now paste here the link of the product. So go back to Timo and then you have to copy the link and we are going to paste that on our AllChinabuy section. Okay, so this section, and then for the remarks we have here the shipping assistant, so you have to provide that in that section. And for the fees we have the product price, so you have to go back to Timo and then you have to put here the exact price, then the warehouse, and then the domestic delivery fee, and then after that you just have to click on buy now and then proceed to the payment method. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped to solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.